Good morning, guys. It's ninth and 10th grade career education, and I am Miss Lively. So, we've been talking about your career planning process. We talked about networking and certain resources that are available to you after you choose to go down the path of career planning. So, this week we're going to finish up with your resources. What is a career center? Well, I know a lot of you are saying, Miss, I've heard of a career center, but have you really? A career center has job listings, research resources, and counselors that help you identify jobs that match your skills and interests. The career center in the school would possibly be in the back where you have career ed at. I would be considered a type of career counselor, also as a career education teacher, as well as Mr. Stewart. Employment offices are similar to career centers. Not only do they help you with your unemployment and benefits, but they also do have a center where you could take classes, learn resume building, help match you with a perfect job or career that would best suit your talents and abilities. There are also private employment agencies that also exist, but they charge a fee to match the employee with the employer. If you are choosing to use this agency, please make sure you do your research on them. Make sure the fee that you're going to pay doesn't outweigh the cost of the job. Career fairs. This should sound familiar. A career fair is an opportunity to meet representatives from many different companies. Some are geared more towards a specific cluster, and some have broader options. The career fair that we put on this year, if you noticed, it was more than just careers there. We had Home Depot, there was law enforcement there. If you decided to go into a health, there was physical trainers there. But there was also colleges, in case that's the path that you chose to go into that route as well. Some helpful tips when you decide to go to a career fair: please be on top of your A game. Assume that you're being evaluated as a potential employee as soon as you set foot in the door. So your conversations should be appropriate. The way that you handle yourself should be appropriate. Dress appropriately. They are watching you just as much as you are watching them. If you're going to walk into a career fair, then maybe you want to dress as if you're dressing to impress for the job that you want. Be confident and outgoing. Make sure you go to each table, see what they have to offer, introduce yourself. Make yourself memorable. When you walk away, you want to give them the best 5 minutes of their lives that they have seen in you so that you can make yourself reasonably and make sure that they understand that you're the best employee for the job. Next, be prepared to ask and answer any questions. When you go to these tables, ask them what type of employee are they looking for? What benefits do they have? What is their work hours? All of these things to impress them. And make sure that you leave them with a memory long lasting to say, hey, I like that person. I think they are employable. Next resource and the last resource we'll talk about is Help Wanted Ads. They're also known as the classifieds. These are job listings for specific positions that may be found in magazines, newspapers, and online websites that help you learn about career opportunities in your specific area. Yes, I know these are kind of archaic, but you will find the classified still in the newspaper. They might not just have big company jobs in there. Many major companies tend to use Indeed.com or online sites to list job postings for them. So, your assignment for the week: please design a one-page flyer all about you. Be creative. It should suggest your skills, abilities, talents, and other qualities that you would like for an employer to hire you. Be honest and accurate. Remember, this is you selling yourself to an employer. Make sure you put on there the best you that you can be. Once you're done, please email your flyer to me. Until next time, guys, have a great day.